Ever wondered how parrots can mimic almost anything? Or that these feathered wonders are also puzzle-solving geniuses? Beyond their vibrant colors, parrots are the avian world's true intellectuals. Their brain-to-body size ratio is comparable to primates, highlighting their remarkable intelligence. From solving puzzles to mastering new tricks, parrots handle complex tasks with ease. They grasp concepts like size, difference, and even zero. More than mimics, they use words meaningfully to communicate with us. Parrots also understand cause and effect and recognize themselves in mirrors. So, when a parrot squawks, listen closely. It might be something profound.